Hi, my name is Joseph-Andre and I am working at Zama in the blockchain team. Today I will present one of the most interesting new features that we added to the latest version of fhEVM, which is version 0.3.0. This feature is the mocked mode, which allows faster testing and the ability to analyze coverage of the tests. Let's run the test like we did before from the fhEVM hard hat template with pnpm test. Previously, when testing smart contracts on the fhEVM in Hard Hat, the only way to do it was to launch a local instance of the fhEVM node. This was a slow process because of the block time of 7 seconds between each transaction confirmation. Also, for this reason, it was not possible to leverage classical Hard Hat tooling like coverage metrics computation. As you can see, the test took 1 minute to finish. Today we introduce the ability to run the test with a mocked version of TFHE Solidity library. In this mocked version, encrypted types are not really encrypted, and the tests can run on the original version of the EVM on a local instance of Hard Hat network instead of fhEVM. To run the test, you can just use the following command: pnpm test mock. As you can see, the test took less than 1 second. Also, with this method, you can see the coverage. You can see here, line by line, which branch is covered and which has been missed by your test suite. This will allow increased security by pointing out missing branches not covered yet by the current test suite. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more info about the new release of fhEVM.